Guys, in this tutorial you can see when I try to run kodi.exe application, I get this error. The program cannot start because api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll is missing from your computer. You are getting this error. Have a look how to fix this error. You have a Chrome browser. Go and open your Chrome browser or any browser you have in your internet. What you need to do is just you need to type this error code on search. The error code is API. Okay, you can see here api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll is the same error code. Just type that error code on the search and you can see you get the number of search on the internet along with few videos. Just don't bother about the number of search you get on internet on Google search engine. What you need to do is just you can see here stackoverflow.com. So just you need this api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll is the error code, and this is the best website you need to go and look for the answer. So click on this link in your new tab, stackoverflow.com. So just scroll it a little bit down and you can see here is the solution for your problem. This problem is because of this KB2999226. This is a part of Visual C++ redistribution for the Visual Studio 2015. This happens when this particular Visual C++ redistribution is failed to install, and there are four different solutions for this. The first thing you need to do is install the Windows Update. In order to install the Windows Update, just go and click over here in this start icon. Doesn't matter whether you're using Windows 7, 8 or 10. Type over here. Okay, you can go for the update directly. Type here update. Okay, and you can see here is your Windows Update. Okay, click over here in this Windows Update, and what you need to do over here is just click over here in this check for the updates. Just check for the updates and it will start checking for the update. Once it will completely check for the updates, and you'll see over here that it has finished checking the updates, and it will give you an option to install that particular update. So just click on install and install that update once it finishes checking the updates. After doing this, what you need to do next is just restart your computer. Once you have just checked for the update and installed that particular update, you need to restart your computer. Once you have just restarted your computer, you can see here in the next step you need to download the Visual C++ redistribution for the Visual Studio 2017 for 64-bit of Windows. So check for your system whether it is a 64-bit or 32-bit. It doesn't matter whether if you are using Windows 7, 8 or 10. I'll show you the procedure how to check for the Windows whether it is a 62-bit or 32-bit. It doesn't matter whether you're using Windows 7, 8 or 10. You can see the My Computer over here. Go and right click. Give a right click on your mouse on My Computer and go to Properties. Once you click on Properties, you can see over here your Windows system type is 32-bit operating system. So my computer is 32-bit. Check for your computer whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. If your computer is 64-bit, go for this link. If your computer is 32-bit, go for this link. Click on that particular link and you can see the particular BCRED IST x86 is being downloaded. Once it finishes its download, just open it. Okay, once you open it, you can see here is my downloaded file. Just give a double click on that and install that particular application. Click on run and just install it. Okay, it's already installed. So So if it is already installed, better you uninstall it and install it again. Okay, for a while I'll just give OK over here. Okay, it is uninstalling. Now once it has just finished on installation, you need to install it again, because the main problem I'm getting that because of this, and this happens if your Windows is not updated properly. So better you update your Windows first and then only uninstall this and install it again. I'm just showing you the methods how to do it. So once you have done that, in the next step what you need to do is just run that and just install it. And once you have done this, you can just go and start your application again. Okay, I will uninstall it and I'll just install it again. I'm installing it without updating my Windows. You can see here my Windows was still updating. So better you do once you have just updated your Windows. See here, setup failed. Why it has just failed my setup? Because my Windows is still not updated. You can see here STT is still checking for the updates. Once it has just finished checking for the updates, install the updates, and then you can just install this Visual C++. Okay, then once you just install this Visual C++ 2015 redistribution, once this setup is just successfully installed, you will not get this error. And what is the next you need to do is the best way to fix with your application. Okay, here is one application. You can see over here www.dllfiles.com. If you want to fix it using an application, better you check for this site. Okay, you can see here www.dllfiles.com, and this is the particular error code which you are getting. Download these particle files for the demo and just install it in your PC. Using these files, you can just check for whether it is fixing your error or not. This is a very popular application that fixes the DLL files error. If it fixes your error, you can just buy it and register it from the demo version to the full version. But for the time being, you can use the demo version. Later on, if you like it, you can go it for the registration. Okay, so this was the way how to fix this error. There are no other ways to fix this error. This is only the way you can just fix this error. Two different ways. Either you can go through the application or you can just fix it in your own way. Okay, let me check for the update once again. You can see it is still updating. Let it update. Okay, the steps is very simple. Let it update. Once it finishes its update, install that updates from here itself. Once it completely installs that update, okay, once the installation is completed, restart your computer. Once you have just finished your restarted your computer, check for the updates again. If any updates are available, install that particular updates. When you see all the updates are completely and successfully installed, the next thing you need to do is download this from. You can just directly go to the download.microsoft.com/download, and this you can just type this code and you can just download it from the site itself, or you can just I've shown you this site and address. You can just go from here and download it, and you can just download it in any way. So after you have just finished it with your successful installation of the updates, then only just open it and you need to just install it. Okay, if it is installed, uninstall it again and just install it again. If that doesn't fix your error, you can just go for this application. You can just download this particular application and you can just go and install that. Using that application also, it will help you fix your DLL files error. Not one, you can fix the number of DLL files error using that application. So this is the way how we fix this error in Windows 7, 8 or 10. With respect to not only kodi application, but with respect to any application. So if you really like this video has really helped you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep your thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video.